Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about what is Flask. Flask is a lightweight Python web framework ideal for beginners. It enables rapid web application development with minimal code. Its simplicity and ease of use make it a preferred choice for those new to web development. With Flask, developers can quickly create web applications without the complexity associated with larger frameworks. For instance, a beginner looking to build a basic blog site or an online portfolio could leverage Flask due to its simplicity and straightforward nature. Flask, a popular web framework in Python, provides a built-in development server and debugger for assisting developers during the development phase. It supports essential features like URL routing, template rendering, and form handling to simplify web development tasks. Moreover, Flask offers extensibility by allowing the inclusion of additional functionality using plugins. For instance, developers can enhance the framework's capabilities by integrating authentication plugins or database interaction plugins to streamline their web application development process. The provided Python code demonstrates a basic Flask application. It imports the Flask library, creates an instance of the Flask class, and defines a route at the root URL /. When this route is accessed, it returns the string "Hello World." Finally, the code checks if the script is executed directly and, if so, runs the Flask application. This script serves as a foundational example for developing web applications using Flask. Flask is a web framework that is highly recommended for beginners due to its ease of use and beginner-friendly nature. It boasts a strong community of users and comprehensive documentation, making it easier for newcomers to get support and guidance when developing web applications. With Flask, developers can rapidly create web applications, enabling them to iterate quickly on their ideas and bring projects to life efficiently. An example of this would be a developer creating a simple blog website in a short amount of time using Flask, thanks to its straightforward syntax and clear structure. Flask is like a delivery person who takes a request for a package from a customer and delivers it to the destination quickly and efficiently. In the same way, Flask is a lightweight web framework that takes requests from users and sends back responses, handling the communication between the user and the web application. Just like how a delivery person follows a set of instructions and routes to reach the destination, Flask uses routes and views to direct user requests to the appropriate functions in the web application. And similar to how a delivery person can handle multiple packages at once, Flask can handle multiple user requests simultaneously, ensuring smooth and responsive performance for the web application. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights. Flask, a popular web framework in Python, plays a crucial role in simplifying the development of web applications. It is known for its lightweight and modular design, making it an excellent choice for building small to medium-sized web applications. In the code snippet provided, we start by importing the Flask class from the Flask module. We then create an instance of the Flask class and pass the scorn name variable as an argument, which helps Flask determine the root path of the application. This instantiation forms the core of our web application. Next, we define 3 routes using the app route decorator. Each route corresponds to a specific URL path, /but-about contact, and is associated with a view function that defines the response to be returned when the route is accessed. These view functions are the heart of the web application, handling incoming requests and generating the appropriate responses. For instance, when a user navigates to the root path / the home function is executed, returning a welcoming message. Similarly, accessing the /about path triggers the about function to provide information about the website, while /contact directs users to the contact function, facilitating communication with the website. By including if name equal to /main, app.run debuggy true, the Flask application is set to run in debug mode, allowing for real-time debugging capabilities. When the application is executed, the Flask server starts running, listening for incoming requests and dispatching them to the respective routes. In a real-world scenario, this Flask application could serve as a basic website for a small business, where the home route welcomes visitors, the About route provides company information, and the Contact route offers a means for users to reach out. Flask's simplicity and ease of use make it a valuable tool for creating web applications efficiently and effectively. Flask is a lightweight web application framework that enables developers to build web applications easily and efficiently. One real-world example of Flask in action can be seen in the e-commerce industry. In an e-commerce platform, Flask can be used to create various routes for different functionalities, such as displaying product listings, processing payments, managing user accounts, and handling order processing. Each route can be associated with specific view functions to perform the necessary tasks when a user interacts with the website. This allows the e-commerce platform to provide a seamless shopping experience for customers by efficiently routing their requests to the appropriate functions. Another application of Flask can be found in the healthcare industry. Healthcare providers can use Flask to develop web applications for telemedicine services, appointment scheduling, patient portals, and medical record management. By creating specific routes and view functions, healthcare professionals can streamline communication with patients, facilitate online consultations, and securely manage sensitive medical information. Flask's flexibility and ease of use make it an ideal choice for building reliable and secure web applications in the healthcare sector. Across the globe, Flask is utilized in various industries to develop web applications that cater to specific needs and enhance user experiences. Its versatility and robust features make it a popular choice among developers for creating web applications that are efficient, reliable, and user-friendly. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.